Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, Near Protocol and its native cryptocurrency, Nearcoin. Near Protocol has been gaining a lot of attention in the blockchain space lately, and we're here to dive deep into what makes it special. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. Introduction to Near Protocol and Nearcoin. Before we dive into the intricate details, let's start with a comprehensive introduction to Near Protocol. Near Protocol is a decentralized blockchain platform that stands out for its mission to simplify the process of building and deploying decentralized applications (dApps). In a world where scalability, usability, and sustainability are crucial factors for blockchain adoption, Near Protocol emerges as a promising contender. Scalability is a long-standing challenge in the blockchain space, with many platforms struggling to handle high transaction volumes effectively. Near Protocol tackles this challenge head-on by implementing a unique sharding mechanism known as Nightshade. Through Nightshade, Near Protocol achieves horizontal scalability, enabling the network to process thousands of transactions per second. This breakthrough in scalability makes Near Protocol highly suitable for real-world applications that require fast and efficient transaction processing. Usability is another area where Near Protocol shines. The platform provides developers with a developer-friendly environment, complete with a set of robust tools and frameworks. One notable feature is Near Protocol's programming language, called AssemblyScript. Derived from TypeScript, AssemblyScript simplifies the development process, particularly for web developers, by providing a familiar and accessible language. This ease of use encourages more developers to embrace the Near ecosystem and contribute to its growth. In addition to developer-friendly features, Near Protocol is equally committed to delivering a user-friendly experience. The platform boasts an intuitive wallet interface that allows users to seamlessly manage their Near coins and interact with dApps. Moreover, Near Protocol offers low transaction fees, ensuring accessibility for users of all backgrounds. By prioritizing both developers and users, Near Protocol strives to create an ecosystem that is not only technically robust but also convenient and inclusive. Sustainability is a core value of Near Protocol. The platform incorporates innovative techniques to ensure a greener and more energy-efficient blockchain. Near Protocol's consensus mechanism, known as proof of stake, significantly reduces energy consumption compared to traditional proof-of-work mechanisms. This commitment to sustainability aligns Near Protocol with the global movement towards environmental responsibility. Near Protocol is a decentralized blockchain platform that addresses the key challenges of scalability, usability, and sustainability. Its Nightshade sharding mechanism enables high transaction throughput, while developer-friendly tools and AssemblyScript simplify the creation of dApps. The user-friendly experience, low transaction fees, and sustainability initiatives further enhance Near Protocol's appeal. With these remarkable features, Near Protocol is poised to make a significant impact on the blockchain landscape and foster widespread adoption of decentralized applications. Certainly. Here's an expanded version of the paragraph. One of the essential components of Near Protocol is its native cryptocurrency, Nearcoin. Nearcoin plays a vital role within the Near ecosystem, serving as the fuel for transactions, powering the network, and incentivizing network participants. As a utility token, Nearcoin is used to pay for transaction fees, enabling the seamless execution of operations within the Near Protocol blockchain. Nearcoin acts as a medium of exchange, facilitating peer-to-peer transactions and providing liquidity within the ecosystem. Users can transfer Nearcoins to other participants quickly and securely, whether it's for purchasing goods and services or engaging in financial activities such as trading or lending. Additionally, Nearcoin is instrumental in powering the network infrastructure of Near Protocol. Validators, who maintain the security and integrity of the blockchain, are rewarded with Nearcoins for their participation in the consensus process. This incentivizes individuals and organizations to contribute their computing resources and actively participate in securing the network. Furthermore, Nearcoin plays a crucial role in governance and decision-making within the Near ecosystem. Near Protocol has a governance model that allows token holders to have a say in the platform's future development and decision-making processes. By staking their Near coins, token holders can participate in voting on proposals, shaping the direction of Near Protocol's evolution. The design and allocation of Near coin emphasize the importance of decentralization and community involvement within the Near ecosystem. It aligns the incentives of network participants, creating a self-sustaining and collaborative environment. Moreover, Near coin's value extends beyond the Near Protocol ecosystem. As the platform gains wider adoption and utility, the demand for Near coin may increase, potentially leading to price appreciation. This feature provides an additional incentive for early adopters and investors to participate in the Near ecosystem, contributing to its growth and development. In summary, Near coin is an integral part of the Near Protocol ecosystem. It serves as the primary means of value exchange, fueling transactions, powering the network infrastructure, and incentivizing network participants. Its utility extends to governance and decision-making, allowing token holders to actively shape the platform's future. By aligning incentives and promoting decentralization, Near coin plays a crucial role in the success and sustainability of the Near Protocol blockchain. Near Protocol's unique features. Scalability has long been a major hurdle for blockchain networks, often limiting their ability to handle a high volume of transactions quickly and efficiently. Near Protocol, however, rises to this challenge by employing a cutting-edge sharding mechanism known as Nightshade. This innovative approach allows Near Protocol to process thousands of transactions per second, significantly surpassing the scalability limitations of many other blockchain platforms. Sharding involves dividing the network into smaller partitions called shards, each capable of processing transactions independently. Near Protocol's Nightshade sharding takes this concept to new heights by introducing dynamic and adaptive sharding. It intelligently adjusts the number of shards based on network demand, ensuring optimal performance under various conditions. The Nightshade sharding mechanism effectively increases the network's capacity to handle a massive volume of transactions simultaneously, making Near Protocol an ideal choice for real-world applications that require fast and seamless transaction processing. Whether it's decentralized finance, DeFi applications, gaming platforms, or other high-throughput use cases, Near Protocol's scalability ensures a smooth and responsive user experience. By overcoming the scalability challenge, Near Protocol opens up exciting possibilities for developers and users alike. It enables the creation of decentralized applications that can handle large-scale interactions and transactions without compromising performance or user experience. Near Protocol's scalability, powered by Nightshade sharding, positions it as a formidable player in the blockchain space, ready to tackle the demands of the modern world. With its Nightshade sharding mechanism, Near Protocol conquers the scalability challenge, offering a blockchain platform capable of processing thousands of transactions per second. This scalability advantage makes Near Protocol a prime choice for real-world applications that demand high throughput. In our upcoming segments, we'll explore the developer-friendly environment and user-friendly experience that Near Protocol offers. Near Protocol offers a developer-friendly environment with tools and frameworks that simplify the creation and deployment of dApps. Its programming language, called AssemblyScript, is a variant of TypeScript, making it accessible to developers familiar with web development. Near Protocol places a strong emphasis on providing a user-friendly experience. It has a sleek and intuitive wallet interface, allowing users to manage their Near coins and interact with dApps seamlessly. The transaction fees on Near Protocol are also low, ensuring accessibility for all users. Use cases and real-world applications. Near Protocol isn't just a theoretical concept. It has already gained traction with various real-world applications. Let's explore some of the exciting use cases for Near Protocol and Near coin. DeFi, short for decentralized finance, has emerged as one of the hottest trends in the blockchain space. Near Protocol stands at the forefront of this revolution, offering a robust platform for DeFi applications. Near coin, the native cryptocurrency of Near Protocol, plays a pivotal role within the Near DeFi ecosystem, enabling users to access a wide range of decentralized financial services. With Near Protocol's infrastructure, users can engage in various DeFi activities, such as lending, borrowing, and trading, in a secure and decentralized manner. Nearcoin serves as the fuel that powers these transactions and interactions, creating a vibrant and accessible financial ecosystem. Lending and borrowing are key components of the Near-DeFi ecosystem, allowing users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings or borrow assets against collateral. Near protocol's transparent and auditable smart contracts facilitate peer-to-peer lending and borrowing, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing counterparty risk. Additionally, Near protocol's decentralized exchange, DEX, enables users to trade Near coins and other supported assets directly from their wallets. This provides users with a seamless and efficient way to exchange digital assets without relying on centralized exchanges, enhancing privacy and control over their funds. By leveraging Near protocol's DeFi capabilities, users can access financial services in a permissionless and inclusive manner. Nearcoin, with its utility and value within the Near DeFi ecosystem, empowers individuals to participate in the global financial system, regardless of their location or access to traditional financial institutions. Near protocol's commitment to low transaction fees ensures that DeFi services on the platform remain affordable and accessible to users. This promotes a thriving DeFi ecosystem, encouraging participation and fostering the growth of innovative financial solutions. With Near protocol's robust platform and Nearcoin as the catalyst, the potential for innovation within the DeFi space is vast. The decentralized and secure nature of the Near DeFi ecosystem opens up new opportunities for users to manage their financial affairs and explore innovative financial instruments. Near protocol's robust platform for DeFi applications, powered by Nearcoin, provides users with access to decentralized financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading. The platform's transparency, low fees, and user-centric design make it an attractive choice for individuals seeking to participate in the exciting world of decentralized finance. In our next segment, we'll delve into the technology behind Near protocol and explore its consensus mechanism. With the rise of blockchain-based gaming and the increasing popularity of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Near protocol offers a powerful infrastructure for developers to create immersive gaming experiences and tokenize digital assets securely. Near protocol's fast transaction processing, low fees, and scalability make it an ideal platform for building blockchain games and facilitating the ownership and trading of digital assets. Blockchain technology, coupled with Near protocol's capabilities, introduces exciting possibilities for the gaming industry. By leveraging Near protocol, developers can create games where players have true ownership and control over their in-game assets. These assets, represented as NFTs, can be bought, sold, and traded on the blockchain, providing players with verifiable ownership and the ability to monetize their digital possessions. Tokenization of digital assets through NFTs has revolutionized the gaming industry by enabling the creation and exchange of unique, scarce, and provably authentic items. Near protocol's secure and transparent blockchain infrastructure ensures the integrity and immutability of these assets, reducing the risk of fraud and counterfeit items. Near protocol's fast transaction processing and low fees make it an attractive choice for gaming applications. Players can seamlessly trade assets, participate in virtual economies, and engage in in-game transactions without experiencing delays or excessive costs. This enhances the overall gaming experience and promotes a vibrant ecosystem where users can freely interact and transact with confidence. The combination of Near protocol's infrastructure, developer-friendly environment, and the power of NFTs opens up new avenues for innovation in the gaming industry. Developers can create unique gameplay experiences, implement token rewards and incentives, and foster vibrant communities around their games. With Near protocol, the world of gaming is transformed into a decentralized and user-centric environment, empowering players and content creators to monetize their skills, assets, and creativity. Near protocol's commitment to security, scalability, and user-friendly experiences positions it as a leading platform for blockchain-based gaming and NFT ecosystems. With Near protocol's powerful infrastructure, developers have the tools and resources to create immersive gaming experiences and tokenize digital assets securely. The platform's fast transaction processing, low fees, and commitment to user-centric design make it an attractive choice for gaming applications. In our next segment, we'll explore the consensus mechanism that powers Near Protocol and ensures the network security and decentralization. Near Protocol's focus on community and governance makes it an ideal platform for social impact projects. Its transparency and inclusivity enable users to participate in decision-making processes, fostering a more decentralized and equitable ecosystem. Future roadmap and potential. Near Protocol has ambitious plans for the future. Let's take a sneak peek at its roadmap and discuss the potential it holds. Near Protocol has set its sights on expanding its ecosystem by attracting more developers and users to its platform. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive developer tools, Near Protocol presents a compelling proposition for individuals and businesses looking to leverage the power of blockchain technology. Near Protocol understands that user experience plays a crucial role in driving adoption. That's why the platform has invested in creating a user-friendly interface that simplifies the onboarding process for new users. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced blockchain enthusiast, Near Protocol's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, interact with decentralized applications, dApps, and manage your Near coins. In addition to the user-friendly interface, Near Protocol offers a comprehensive suite of developer tools. These tools and frameworks provide developers with the necessary resources to build and deploy decentralized applications, dApps, on the Near Protocol platform. With its programming language, Assembly Script, which is a variant of TypeScript, developers familiar with web development can quickly adapt and start building on Near Protocol. By prioritizing user experience and providing developer-friendly tools, Near Protocol aims to attract a significant number of individuals and businesses to its platform. The platform's scalability, low transaction fees, and robust infrastructure further enhance its appeal, making Near Protocol a compelling choice for blockchain enthusiasts and developers alike. As Near Protocol continues to onboard more users and developers, the ecosystem grows stronger, fostering innovation, collaboration, and the creation of new use cases. By offering a user-friendly interface and comprehensive developer tools, Near Protocol paves the way for the adoption and integration of blockchain technology across various industries. With its user-friendly interface and developer tools, Near Protocol has the potential to onboard a significant number of individuals and businesses onto its platform. The platform's emphasis on user experience and comprehensive resources creates an environment that fosters innovation and collaboration. In our upcoming segments, we'll dive deeper into the technology and governance behind Near Protocol. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.